Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to be grilling two different kinds of fish. Um, we bought these fish from Indian store and we'll be grilling them over the charcoal. Um, I have a helper here who's making the video. His name is Salman, and from now I'm gonna show you what kind of fish we have and what kind of seasoning we're gonna use and how to prep it. Let it sit for a while so the marinade goes in, and then later we're gonna grill it over the charcoal outside. So now next step, I'm gonna show you what kind of fish we have. Alright, so as I told you, we went to the Indian store and we got two different kinds of fish. One is called Baramundi, Baramundi, and it has a white meat, and the other one is golden pomfret. Alright, so like I told you, this is golden pomfret with the head on, and what we did is basically we cleaned it up, cut the fins off, tail off, cleaned it inside, and then we put the cuts like this. Now the next one is Baramundi. Very good. It's in the plastic, so you see a little bit of shine because I don't want to touch the fish. The head is on. We cut it up, we cleaned it up. We cut it, we cleaned it up, and then we, instead of cutting like this, diagonal, we did horizontal. Like a little bit like this, and then horizontal cut. Alright, so prepping has started. We have our fish ready, clean. We're just gonna, before we put the spice, we're gonna, with the paper towel, we're gonna dry it up. Over here we have Old Bay, the best, it's a very good seasoning for seafood. Has a lot of herbs and spices all mixed in. It's Old Bay, very old company. We're gonna put paprika on top just to give a color to the fish. Next we have these lemons that we're gonna put in the belly of the fish, and then we have, of course, we have garlic. We're gonna put for more flavoring, and then we're gonna put it in here. We're gonna put it in here. We're gonna open the basket like this, and we're gonna put it in the basket. We're gonna put it in the basket, then we're gonna close the basket, and we're gonna literally like grill it on the charcoal. So we have one more herb that we're going to put, which is outside, and we're gonna go outside and we're gonna cut it. All right, we are outside now, and we are going to cut some parsley. Take a whole bunch for like both fish, and we're gonna put it in the belly. Alright, welcome back everyone. We got the golden pomfret right here, all nice and dry. Inside it looks like this. Then we have this one. This one is the Baramundi. It has white meat when it's cooked, and inside it looks like this. Now we're gonna start seasoning. We're gonna take our Old Bay, and but before that, we are going to take olive oil and pour a whole bunch of olive oil on it. Okay, and inside a little bit. Okay, and we're gonna remove this thing, put it in the trash. We're gonna remove this and put it in the trash. We're just putting some olive oil, and then olive oil a little bit over here. Now we're gonna add some spices. We're gonna go like this. Alright. Now we're gonna do some paprika. Now we are going to take half of these parsley, put it in there. Same thing over here. Put some parsley in there. Then we're going to take lemon, put it in there, and we're going to put some lemon on top, like this. Same way, we're going to put some lemon slices in there, and some lemon on top. Okay, we're going to squeeze some lemon. Some lemon. Don't worry about the seeds. They will either grill or they will. Alright, we're going to take these garlic cloves. We're going to take our knife and we're going to smash these. Okay. Alright folks, it's ready to go on the grill. This is the big one, this is the small one. Right there is the spice, as I told you, we'll put the big, and I use heavy duty aluminum foil. Earlier I told you we're going to put it on the charcoal grill, but unfortunately the wind is too much, 13 miles per hour, so the heat is going to be uneven. So we decided to do it on the gas grill. Alright, so I'll show you the finished product in half an hour or so. Alright folks, the grill is ready. It can be at 450, 500, that's a pretty good temperature. And then we're going to use the KitchenAid timer. We're going to put it for 8 minutes on one side, then we're going to flip it. And then 8 minutes on the other side, and then we're going to check the temperature. The internal temperature is 145. It's good to go. Alright. Temperature. Fish. Temperature. Alright folks, it's time. It's time to check the fish. We put it all together. 12 minutes on each side. 12 minutes, flip it, 12 minutes at 450. Just because it was in the foil, so it will not be dry because it's going to be juicy. Otherwise, if you're doing it on the grill, then you cannot do it that much for that long. So we're gonna that looks good. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it smells really good.